All right, let's take a look at some heavy duty dishwasher sponges. Now, these are perfect for those that have the handheld sponges that refill with soap. These are actually, they give you about one, two, three per bag. So these are going to last you quite a while. And I'm going to open up one so you guys can see how they look like. The sponges have the soft part on the side of it, but this is more like the rough part. This is going to take those stains out of those pots, those cups that's been sitting there for quite a while, and they're very simple. All you got to do is make sure you buy the proper handle that clips on here, and then when it's flowing soap, it goes through here, it soaks down through the bottom layers, and it's very simple to actually use. So we'll put this to a test, see how well it works, because we got a couple things we got to clean up, and especially when you're dealing with chocolate or burn stains, this is perfect for it. So let's go ahead and test it out and see how it works. All right, so here it is, guys. If you guys are ever going to replace yours existing one, this is very simple. I like the triangle because the triangle gets it anywhere in the corner. So if you guys see that in the corners, we're putting some soap on it at the same time, getting every nook and cranny. And you don't have to worry about, just push it down like that to get more soap in there, and that's a bit. So and then we rinse. So getting nice and clean. These are replaceable, and I like the edges. I like that they're triangle, so you could get some of the edges off. And that's it. Very simple, easy to use.